class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning once again.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Timothy Kipkingoy, and I'll be taking you construction materials science 1. And I expect your maximum cooperation in this session. So our session starts now. And before we continue, are you all in?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maria Jebiot.
Present.
And Dominic Maritim. Present, sir. Aaron.
Present.
John Jadis.
Present.
And I think there's somebody here with a funny name. No, not funny, but a hard name. Kochum. Who is Kochum?
He is absent.
So, in today's session, we are about to learn about something, but in this room we are ready. It is beautiful. My friend there, tell me about what makes it beautiful.
The painting, and see the color, it's so smart.
No, I want the specific word. What makes it beautiful?
The windows.
No. I'm talking about the word.
Okay. The things.
The things.
Yes.
So, what color is this?
I would say white, but really we say green.
Cream.
No, you look for a color.
Yes.
So let us continue. So today's lessons, these are the learning outcomes, and before this lesson ends, we should be able to define physical properties of material. Define physical properties. And again, before the session ends, we should explain physical properties of materials. Let's get to it. Can someone tell me or define for me the term physical properties? Physical properties. What's your name? What's your name?
Yes, my name
Yes.
is James.
Georgia, this.
Yes.
Give me the physical property of a term. Like, can you define it?
Physical properties, those are observable or tangible things that you can see on something. Those are they are the physical. What you can see or can touch.
Yeah, tangible, you can see. So it's something that is there in the open. Yeah?
Yeah.
So I just need another person from the front row. Maria.
Looking at the chart, physical properties are characteristics of substances that you can observe, like you can observe or read.
Yes, so from the three colleagues of yours, you can see the keyword that comes in is observe. You see, it can be seen, observable, and tangible. So I have a definition here. Physical properties. These are the characteristics that can be observed or measured without altering the material's chemical composition. I have to write so that you can master and understand. So, physical properties. These are the characteristics. You know, a characteristic is something that you can see. A characteristic is something you can see. Characteristics that can be observed. That can be observed or measured. Can be observed or measured. Characteristics that can be observed or measured without altering the material's chemical properties. Material properties. You're my team, right? Can you read for me what you are seeing there about physical properties?
Characteristic that can be observed or
Yes.
measured without altering the material properties.
So they can be observed and they can be measured. Okay? And these properties, they can describe the physical state. They can the physical state. The appearance and the behavior under specific conditions. So physical properties, they can describe the physical state. You can see the physical state, the appearance, and the behavior. So this behavior is under specific conditions. And let me usher in my colleague to come and continue.
Hello,
Hello.
you are good.
Yes, I am good.
So Ariel Getich, taking over from my colleague there. Hope you are listening. I don't want people who are not listening in my class. So since you have gone through this line of defining a physical property, and you have known what is a physical property or what are we looking to that physical property. So now we are looking at explaining physical property of material. physical properties of construction materials. The way you are seated in pairs, I want you to explain physical properties of construction materials. Hope you are through. Okay, so I want to get those. What are you called? That physical properties of materials. Starting with this here, this here. Mention what are you explain?
We are known that we have physical properties, we have porosity.
Pardon?
We have porosity.
Yeah, appreciate him. We have porosity. Yes, Timothy.
I want to explain the porosity.
Yes.
Porosity is the amount of fluids or air spaces in a material, and it affects water absorption and durability.
That's good. So, here I have a brick. Here I have a brick. Oh, are you all seeing?
Yes.
Here I have a brick. And the physical property of a brick concerning porosity. What are you seeing at this brick? Yeah, you can type. You can
Perforate.
have
It has some holes.
it has some holes.
Yes.
Please, Madam, confirm and Timothy, if it has those holes.
Yes, that is good.
What about this? What is this?
It's a carpet.
It's a couple. It's a couple, yes. So you can also confirm to see if it has those holes. Since you have said this has holes, what about that one? You have said it has also porosity. You have said it's the number of holes. Or if we say air spaces. A material have. So from the back there,
Yes.
what are we talking about another physical property?
We have seen thermal conductivity.
Thermal conductivity. Hope my writing are visible.
Yes.
Aaron, are you seeing my writing?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you have said thermal conductivity. What
Yes.
about what have you explained about texture?
You said that when you touch it, you can feel it, you can feel the roundness or the softness of a beak.
For example, here we have a tile and a brick and a cable.
Yes.
So what about if you have this one and you have this one? What about the texture of those if you compare?
This one is rough.
Yeah.
I feel it's rough.
That one is rough. What about that one?
This one is soft.
Soft.
This one is soft.
It's somehow smooth or soft.
Yes.
Just appreciate him. I'm coming to you again.
Yes.
Another physical property,
Hardness.
hardness. What have you explained about this, Timothy?
Hardness is the resistance to scratching or surface wear.
Exactly. For example, here is a brick. We have an wood here. So when we talk about hardness, what will you say about this brick concerning hardness and about this wood?
I think we can say that brick is more harder than the wood when subjected to some force.
That's wood.
Yes.
Yeah, tried. Appreciate you. This is our material respond, or for example, for construction material. When a material is hard, or when you use a brick and a wood, likely the brick will last for long under the loads compared to that wood. What are other physical property of construction materials? Yes.
Permeability.
Yes, but what about permeability?
If the ability of fluids to pass through a material.
Yes, that's a child. What can you say about permeability?
I think it's the ability that material to allow water to pass through.
Yes. When you soak this brick in water, likely this brick will absorb water. Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah. And that's the thing that you can see and observe it as soap. Have you ever who has another physical property of construction material? Yes? Aaron?
Density.
Density, yeah. Density. What have you explained about density? Yes?
You see that density is the mass per unit volume. It helps the selection of material in relationship to weight, that is the
has the volume. So it's the size of the material, it has the volume and it has occupied the space. So, for example, this concrete, when you have this brick, you can act like this and know is it heavy or light. For example, for example, this wood is lighter than this brick. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yeah. And that's good. So let me add all of my
Yes. How are you?
You're fine.
Doing well?
Yes.
And the team. And I see we have learned on physical properties of material. We have defined what is physical properties of material. And also in our learning outcome number 2, we talk about physical properties of material. And I believe we have understood what we have learned. Who can define for us the term physical properties of material? Yes?
It refers to the characteristics of a substances that can be observed or seen and can be measured.
Okay. Yes, my brother?
Yes, we have said that physical properties of a material, those are the characteristics of materials that enable that can be measured or observed and without changing.
Very good. Yeah. We have learned that the physical is those characteristics you can observe and it cannot be altered. Cannot be altered chemically. Yeah, I see you have got something. Yes. Another question comes. What are these properties that you have learned? Yes, Harold?
I have mentioned one of the properties.
Yes.
He said one of the properties is hardness.
What have you said about hardness?
We have said that hardness is the ability of a material to resist a force applied on
Very good. Anybody else give us another characteristic?
Yes,
Property?
we have said porosity.
And what have you said about porosity?
We define that porosity is the measure of void spaces in a material.
Yeah, that is it. I see we are good learners.
Yes.
I see we have done something. Yes. Okay. And why is it important to know the physical properties of a material before you commence or when you are constructing, you are in a construction site? Why is it important to know these physical properties? Yes?
For example, when we talk of porosity,
Yes.
it's important to know the porosity because when you know the voids that a material has, the spaces, the void spaces that a material has,
Yes.
it will then help you to gain to know the strength of that material, insulation, and the absorption rate of that material.
Yeah. In short, it helps you to select the material suitable for your work. Okay?
Yes.
Now I'm going to leave you with assignment. And assignment, I expect it to be collected on Friday. Very early in the morning. Okay?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
So I expect it on Friday, very early in the morning. Okay? Have a nice week.
Thank you, sir.